1, 2,
Y.
Y,
Y. You say Y and then the last letter.
Y, and G.
Okay, done. What letter is this?
Letter na yan.
This one. What letter is this? Julian, on the board. What's this?
That's D.
Oh,
What's this?
You know.
What's this?
makinig.
Julian, what's this?
Pay attention. Anong letter yan?
B.
B. And this one?
A.
So how do you read it? Together. If you put them together, B and A. How do you read that? You close your mouth, close, and then open. Okay.
Ba.
Then ba. Okay.
B.
Okay. What about this one? What letter is this?
H.
H and
And
H
and
and
H.
and
H.
H and letter
H.
oh.
And A.
Oh, how do you read this one? No, this one is ba. This one is no. Okay, again. Ha. Ha. Ha.
There. I did it.
Again, what's this? Ha.
huwag mong hingahan. Ha, sabi mo ha.
Ha ha ha. As if you're laughing. Ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh, say ha. Say ha.
I'm saying it.
No, sabi mo ha, hindi yung tawa mo.
Ha.
You look at me. Ha.
Ha. Ha. Ha. Ha. Ha. Ha.
And then this one. Anong oras yan? Naku, nasa pumunta. Ah? Saturday? Sa Saturday? Okay. O, di wala na naman si Julian. Oh, what's this? Ha. And this one?
Ha.
Close your mouth.
Ha.
Ba.
Okay, what's this?
Ba. Ba. Oh,
Ah,
I
ulit?
know that.
Again, what's this?
Ha. Ha.
Close your... Julian, look at the board. Julian. Julian. What's this? Close your mouth and open.
Apple.
No, no, no. Look. Julian. Julian, look here.
I want the sword.
Julian. Julian. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? Close your mouth, then open.
Ba.
Okay, this one.
Yun naman
As
H.
if you're laughing, you put the air outside, going up.
Ha, ha.
There should be air going out. Ha.
Ha.
Okay. Okay. Put your hand and then let air go out from your mouth. Ha.
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 Saan?
Far from your mouth. Ha. Ha.
Saan?
Okay. Now this one again. What's this? Close your mouth.
Ba.
And this one. Right.
Oh.
Brilliant. Again, what's this?
Ba.
This one.
Ba.
This one.
Ha.
Ha. Okay, next. What's this? This one, Julian. What's this? Letter
L-A. L-A.
L and A. How do you read this one?
L-A.
La.
Lung.
La.
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 Oh,
La.
la. Tongue, your tongue up. Then open. La. Again. La. Louder. Okay. Let's go back here. What's this? Close your mouth. Close your mouth.
First. Okay.
Pa.
Next.
Ha.
Next.
La.
Very good. Very good.
La.
Okay, this one. This one.
M. M.
Ang galing mo talaga. Ano sabi?
M and.
Alam.
Okay. M and.
Tatay is listening, oh. Oh.
And.
Sige, what's this? What letter is this?
M and A.
Okay, M. Mm.
Ma.
Mm.
Ma.
Oh, very. Oh, okay. From here. From here. Again. From here.
Ba.
Ba. This one.
Ha.
Okay, this one. Your tongue up.
La.
Okay, this one. Mm. Mm.
Mama.
Ma.
Mama.
Oh, very good.
Mama. Mama.
Oh, this one.
Pa.
Ma. Ha. La. Ma. E.
You know. Ba.
This one.
Ma. Da. D. A.
D. A. What?
What letter is this? What letter is this?
Julian.
Julian, what letter is this?
Letter yan.
What letter is
Nag-iisip. What letter? Oh, what letter is this?
B, B, C.
Kala mo?
Sunod.
What letter is this? Wala na naman nagtatrabaho.
D.
Da? D.
Da.
Da.
D and A. Da.
D.
Yan,
Da.
babasa.
Kalyola, ano?
Da.
Da. Okay, from the beginning, what's this?
Ulit, ulit.
What's
Simula.
this?
Ha.
Ha.
This one.
La. La.
Ano hindi nila
Ma.
tinatawag talaga? Again?
Ma.
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 Yan.
No, it's different from this one.
Da.
Yun lang, di magkaiba sila, oh. They're different from each other. What's this?
La.
No.
Oh.
Letter D, eh. D.
Da.
D.
Da.
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 One more. One more. No more no more teaching from daddy. By yourself only. What's this?
Ba.
Next.
D.
Oh, huwag natingin kay daddy.
Bang.
Huh? As if you're laughing.
Ha.
Ha. Okay, this one.
Ha.
This one. Your tongue.
La.
Okay, again.
La.
This one.
La.
Oh, this one. Next. Next.
Next.
Hmm.
N.
Hmm.
I know what's the food for
I
N.
know it. I know it. Oh, what is this letter? Oh, what is the sound of this letter? Hmm.
Ma.
Ayun. Again, you just give the sound of the first letter and then you open your mouth. So, ma.
Ma.
Da. Da. Oh, we have 5, ha? 5 again. 1.
1.
What's number 1? What's this? Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. What's
No.
this? What's this?
No.
Julian, what's this?
Ma.
No. Close your mouth.
Ba.
Okay, next.
Ba.
Next.
Ano susunod? H.
Next.
H. H. H.
No, paano mo sasabihin?
How
Anong
do
word
you
yan?
read these 2 letters together?
Yung ano,
Julian.
Hala. 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 La.
Ha.
La.
Ha.
Hala. 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 Oh. Hala.
Again?
Hala.
No. Ha.
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 This,
Ha. Ha.
this next.
Ha.
next daw, next.
Next. L. L. Your tongue attached at your upper.
La.
L.
La. La.
Next.
La.
Next one.
Mama. Mama.
Next.
Mama. Mama.
Ito, last.
Next. What's this?
Da. Da.
Louder.
Da.
Louder.
Da.
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 Okay.
Da.
Very good. Very good. Huwag lang lilimutan. What's this?
Letter P.
P.
P and A. So how do you read this one?
Ano ba yung sound ng P?
If there is mama, there is
Papa.
papa. Right. This is pa. Pa. This is ma. And this is pa. Okay, what's this?
Papa.
Pa. Say pa only. Pa. What's this? Sorry. What's this?
R. A. R.
A. R and A. R.
A. R.
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 Open your mouth.
R.
For A, you open A. So R. R.
R.
R.
Rock.
Okay, again, what's this? What's this? Julian on the board, what's this? What's this?
O, ano yung partner ng
Julian,
Yes.
what's
Letter
this?
ito? Ano
P
yan?
at saka A. Sino ka partner ni Mama?
Dada.
Partner ng Mama? Papa, di ba? Okay, this is Pa.
Pa.
Again. Again. Pa. Say pa. 2, 4, 6, 7. Pa. We'll have 10. 10, 10. What's this? R. Ra.
Rock.
Again. So from the beginning. Again, what's this? Close your mouth.